Unit test is over. Within unit test, you can recover 4 lessons. Those lessons which you are faced with after one, we also started. I think 1 hour is related with inside that term. But those are the remaining points. New concept, core line statements. Those are the added information, new layer of knowledge, which can be present inside that are the real starting of lesson. That can start on to that, which is the name of lesson, start on inside the atom. Sir, what do you mean by inside the atom? Sir, that are the meaning. What is inside the atom? Those words which can be saying in front of them, saying a lot of. What is this? Sir, what do you mean by inside and related with atom? I know very well atom is a spherical, rounded, one ball-like structure, one have circumference. But in that lesson, I observe deeply study, which can be done by every scientist. How you go underside of atoms, how atoms are look like, which are the real morphology, which can be present inside them. Each and every time I go in and inside that and observe. In that title shows for you. I know very well atoms are there. If that atoms break, rupture, cut, number of pieces, that time how intrinsic, how internal morphology, how intrascopic structure which can be occur inside only atom. That's why he says that from the title of lesson, if you observe complete name of lesson, that time he is not only study about outside nature of atom. He says that if it is possible as if you want to break them, and which are the new structures, new ingredients, new particles which are present inside them, I want to observe. That are the meaning showing by inside, inoculator, injector, inhibition, go inside, beneath, under surface region of earth, which are the number of particles, number of structure which you observe, historical development, number of scientists born, its a lifespan, to saying not for atom, how, which number of structure which are present inside the deeply study. That are the right meaning given from inside the atom. Once again I say, in short way, from that lesson you can learn about if you selected atoms are there, how atoms look like, which are the cells, which are the number of particles, each and every which are present inside. Try to open now. If you try to open now, are there, that time we observe right meaning inside the atom. Sir, if you observe are there, that time sir teaches lot of. As soon as lesson really started, that are the meaning which are given from my point of view. Inside, go in and how much inside this, observe related with atom. These are the right meaning which can be given from inside the atom. Second of all, sir, lot of sir teaches for the title, but students are ignorance. Students are not direct point of attack with title of lesson. That lesson can be started by using one method. Name of that method is the question asking. Sir, ask somewhat question. If students are ready to feedback mechanism about that lesson, that time it is given, not given it is also right. But that lesson, those are the already knowledge which are present inside student, they are find out, dig out, pump out, given out from question asking method. Which is the first question? First of all, which are the states of matter? See student, first of all, simple question. Which are the states of matter? One student says that are the solid, liquid and gases. Those states of matter which are occupied and why it is asked, why it is related, why it is saying certain types of all question bang. First of all, he says those matter, it may be solid, liquid, gases which they are made. It is made from numerous, infinity, lot of unlimited particle of smallest part. I am not saying here either. Smallest particle. From that particle is it possible to make atoms. That's why first question which are already known small children. Easier my direct reaches to lesson what is inside related with atom. That's why those knowledge which are present inside them, they try to find out once again from student mind. That's why first question, which are the states of matter? Right, sir? Solid. Those are that pen which are handled. These are solid. You take petrol, kerosene, diesel. Those are the viscous jelly. It is a liquid. Those gases which are present around me, these are the gaseous. That's why states of matter, location, position, its own occupation can be naturized. Nature. It can be of solid, liquid, and gases. Second of all, he says that, sir, which are the difference between molecule and atoms? So much interesting. Why certain types of arrangement of question in textbook? Those committee members which can be settled at the stairs. Rightly arrangement, systematic arrangement for per lesson with sentence wise map. That time second question which can be say here, sir, what is this? Second question. Second question, which are the really difference between molecule and atom? Suppose that, think in your mind, I can be written what? Molecule, name is the NH3 ammonia. It is a molecule or atom, I don't know about this. That's why we say here, I say here, is there any difference between atoms and molecules? Suppose that ammonia can be made from one nitrogen, and it can be added with 3 hydrogen. One nitrogen come in contact with 3 atoms of nitrogen. That time there is a possible study of ammonia. That's why ammonia can be made from one atom of nitrogen and 3 atoms of hydrogen. These are the molecules, but it is made from basic, fundamental, manufacturing, constructing, one building material. These are nothing but one atom of nitrogen and 3 atoms of hydrogen. All they get together, that formation of molecule. That's why each and every says that those questions can stay here. States of matter also made from atoms. If you want to make organic chemistry, any compound, any solution, any amorphous powder, any powdery form, it can be made from atom. That's why atom, as like to cell, atom is the basic fundamental unit of any substances, any ingredient, any particle. That's why he says that if you observe atom, that an atom can be shown by using combination. Another, I said difficult, potassium dibromate, K2Cr2O7. That time it is also made from numerous particles. Potassium 2 in number, chromium also 2 in number, and oxygens are 7 in number. Potassium, chromate and oxygen meet with each other. That time there is a formation of potassium dibromate. Once again remember your mind. If you want to make any complicated or simple compound, that time it is made from atom. Second question also said. Third question say for you, which is this: what is atom? Last question. That's one. Systematic and parallel arrangement, which can be direct reaches to title of lesson. Title says that inside the atom. That's why first of all ask which are the states of matter and how many. What are the difference between molecule of elements and compound atoms? Last of all he says that those which you want nearby with you, atom. Sir, what do you mean by atom? Because of that example he given direct attachment. Matter made from atom. That all molecule also made from it. That's why I say atom is the smallest, negligible, minor, too much less. Those are the last quantity of any matter. It is known as atom. Atom in short I say. Atom is the smallest particle of any matter. We reach to direct point of angle where really lesson B started. That's why first method at the time of starting whole complete lesson, lot of difficulty, lot of historical number of scientists spend their life. But he says that those previously knowledge which you attained before 8th standard, you say about them, once again that renewed. Students know very well. But those questions which can be said here, They are needed. That's why first of all he asked, what is the states of matter which are there? What are the difference between molecular element and atoms? Lastly, what is atom? Sir, is it what? That time he is given different types of compound which can be shown. Here is one number of is there. I can be written carbon dioxide. I can be written methane. Number of numerous infinity. It is known as organic chemistry. Number of solutions, chemical, formula, formulae, anyone's are there. If you want to read, write, annunciation, declarement, it is also done by using atoms. Simple. Carbon dioxide, ammonia, O2, N2, C2, H2. After one another is there, which is given in your text one another. It's carbonic acid, H2CO3. After one is magnesium sulfate, MgSO4. Infinity number of formula which can be used. Here is carbon dioxide made from one carbon atom and two oxygen atom. Methane, marsh gas, it is made from one carbon and four hydrogen atoms. Oxygen gas is there, it is made from two combination of same element. Nitrogen, N plus N. After one carbonic acid, two atoms of hydrogen, one atom of carbon and three oxygen atom. Here is a magnesium one, sulfur one, iron. Those allowed in textbook not only see there, he says that all summary for all organic compounds. If you want to make any compounds are there, that time there is a necessity, there is a need of number of atoms. That's why atom are the basic, atom are the one type of ingredient which can be made from every compound. That's why students, today we can be learned which is the really title of inside the atom. After one with the help of three question asking band, he tell three different types of question. First of all, which are the types of matter, how many types of matter, which are the difference between molecular elements, and last of all is there which, what do you mean by atom? If students are getting somewhat idea, atom is the pillar, atom is the constructing. If you want to ones are there, that time it is made from atoms. Last of all, we reach to number of compounds which are available in laboratory. Are you made from atoms? If students are answer, sir, that are made from one carbon atom and another hydrogen at that time, any molecule, any compound, any formula can be made from combination of atoms. That's why several times I can be announced one word repeated. Atom, atom, atom. I'm not broken atom. Just I tell those previous history up to 7th standard which you are learn are there once again new and try to come inside them. Thank you.